Alrighty, what you see before you is a box of Fiocchi 9mm that I picked up pre, you know what I mean, and pre-panic and pre-mask. And I'll show you what I picked up today. There's a box of 9mm Fiocchi ammunition, 115 grains, 50 rounds, a different kind of box. I'm wondering if they changed their boxes because of size difference. They're both 50 rounds, but packing is part of the cost. And as you can see, the newer box is smaller, more compact. Same bullet weight. And on this one, I don't see any markings of the foot pounds, at 1200 FPS, and there's no markings of that on this that I can tell. It does have that warning, keep out of reach of children. So does that mean me? Because, gee, I still like to tinker with trains. I still like to have fun. Oh, I don't think that's what they mean. Well, let's grab our cup of coffee here, dadgummit, and get a swig of that. Alrighty. I could always show you this side of the cup. There we go. A little better picture of it. But let's take a look, if we can, one-handed, at what the bullets look like in difference. Let's see if I can do this one-handed here. Aha! I got my pocket knife even open one-handed. There's that. Thank you. I learned this trick by watching Hickok 45 using the blade of his knife to pop open the box without tearing it up. Thank you, Hickok 45, for teaching me that little trick on your video. Okay, let's shake that out, and let's see what this one looks like. If they all fell out individually, that'd be a shock. No, actually, they changed the tray, too. Take a look at that. That one's got a deeper section to hold the bullet in, and that's a clear plastic they used. Okay, let's take out one of the new bullets. Looks like they didn't change that, because there's the bullet from the old box. So they just basically changed the graphics, and they changed the container inside. Got the bullets a little closer together to get them more, I would say, compact. Should make it a little easier for storage, because I bought this box knowing that we'd been in an ammo crunch. A little extra ammo here helps. because you never know when you might need it. For that big old mouse running across the floor. Oh, I mean, or the wife sees a spider. You think that'd take care of that spider? Or a mouse? Or put your Ford out of your misery when it breaks down? I mean, no, well, that might not be a good idea. As you can tell, I like to have a little humor here. And as you know, I'm not serious because we all know that that would cause troubles all the way around. Well, that's basically all they did differently that I can tell. I haven't taken these out to the range to do any shooting because it costs a little bit of money to go to that range too, so I gotta do it a little at a time. Right now with the ammo prices that they are, and this is $19.99 a box compared to, what did I pay for this one? That's definitely pre. That's $14.99 for that box. But with tax, I ended up paying $21, I think, for the ammo here at 19. But still, being I'm living in a free state where you can still own firearms and still hold your head up high and say you're an American without being attacked by the mob, I guess we're doing pretty good here in the state of North Dakota. Not like some states where you have to fight to keep your right to bear arms every second of the day, but yet we still have to stand up tall for ours because one slip backwards and we'd lose everything. Not just the Second Amendment, the First, the Third, clear the 13th Amendment, and everybody knows what the 13th Amendment is, don't they? That's on slavery. That was pushed through by Abraham Lincoln, a Republican, not a Democrat. Anti-slavery bill. It passed and became an amendment that slavery cannot be implemented in the United States. Maybe that's why the Democrats want to dismantle the Constitution. Anyway, the Civil War was fought several years ago. I don't need to bring that up again. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you again and show you some more things we do for hobbies. Bye-bye.